Hey guys, got a 2021 plate Volkswagen Golf here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the lane departure warning on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen on the centre of the dash. From here, we're going to go to press the assist on the button down here. Then press the menu button in the top left. Now where it says lane assist, lane keeping system, you can have turn it on and off, or press the arrow, you can go in, you can have it active or not active, and then choose to have steering wheel vibration. So this is when you're going over the white lines and the car will notify you of that by vibrating the steering wheel, or if you have it active, it will steer back into your lane for you.